When diagnosing an ultrasonic sensor, we have a couple different tools we can use for this. Number one is a good old-fashioned piece of hose. What we did is we have this hose, we cut down either end. We have the car on right now, and that's allowing the sensor to actually start working. So what we can do is we can take and put one end up to our ear, we put the other end up to the sensor, and we'll hear a clicking noise. If you hear a clicking noise, that means the sensor is functioning properly. If I take and put it up to one over here, and I hear no clicking, I know that this is a bad sensor. Another way we can do this, a little more technical way, is here we have a pocket scope, and we have an ultrasonic sensor tester. And what I do is when I put this up to it, it'll actually show me the waveform of what's happening with that sensor. So we can see the sensor is active, it's working. If I come back to this sensor back here, we get nothing on there because this is a bad sensor. Both ways will work. One way gives you a little bit more data.